The resolution that I am placing before you defines our aims and describes an outline of the plans and points to the way which we are going to tread. The resolution that I place before you is in the nature of a pledge, and I hope the House will pass this resolution, which is of a special nature. I beg to move, 1. This Constituent Assembly declares its firm and solemn resolve to proclaim India as an independent, sovereign republic.
भारत की अक्षुण्णता, अखंडता और स्वायत्तता से लेकर नए भारत में सबकी समानता और एकता तक की बात अपने प्रस्ताव में रखी थी पंडित नेहरू ने।
2. Wherein shall be guaranteed and secured to all the people of India justice, social, economic, and political, equality of status, opportunity, and before the law, freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith, worship, vocation, association, and action.